Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw names step by step. So we're going to do them a few different ways. For starters, say your name is Sue, right? There's an S, there's a U, and there is an E, right? We want to spice this up a little bit. So there's a lot of different things we can do. We can take the S and we can put some curve into it. So your name will go curvy S, curvy U, and curvy E, just like that. Say you want to draw it in cursive. We'll take that same name, we're going to bring the curl around to the top, back over, lowercase u, bring that down and around to form that E. And there's your Sue. Say you want to do it in bubble letters. We're going to take that S, and we're going to make it thick and connect it like a swervy, kind of a snake line. And take the same thing with the U, connect it, and the same thing with the E. Make it all bubbly, just like that. Looks good. Say we want to make it jagged. We'll make it jagged. Take a jagged line, and exactly as you would make your S with a bubble, you just do it with a jagged line. Sue. This could be kind of like a scary, like if you're trying to say like, stay out of Sue's room. You might use a jaggedy line to scare everybody. And I think that is quite a few different ways to write your name step by step.